A defendant charged with a felony has a right to a preliminary hearing. A preliminary hearing is a probable cause hearing where a municipal judge decides if there is sufficient evidence to bind the matter over to the Summit County Grand Jury for its consideration. That process can be abrogated by both the grand jury acting on the case before the preliminary hearing, what's called a secret indictment, or by arrangement with the prosecutor, which is called a direct indictment. In this case, neither the prosecutor for the City of Cuyahoga Falls nor the Summit County prosecutor went to the lengths to have an indictment handed up before the preliminary hearing. So therefore, a preliminary hearing was conducted. The county medical examiner testified, as did the investigating detective.